Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation futhi sanibona zingane. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngeZamani Zulu Kids. Nazo-ke. So we have some kids groups classes starting in the mornings around 9:30. So please send me a message to find out more. And here is a quick clip of some group kids classes that I've been doing. Lots and lots of fun. I enjoy them very much. So here it is. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Salani kahle.
Igama lami Dingu Bob.
Bob, okay. Ngiyabona. Bob, uhlala phi?
Ngihlala Shaka Marine World. Ngithanda ukudla dog food.
Dog food, okay.
Ufred uthanda inyama yenja.
Inyama yenja. Bob, kukhona uShaka omkhulu. Hawu, igama lawo nguFred. uFred uthanda ukudla inyama yenja.
Eish, akukhona ukuhle lokho.
Akukho kuhle lokho. Okay, now let's speak to the shark.
Igama lami nginguFred.
Nazo-ke. Nazo kuhle kakhulu. Okay. Uthandani, Fred?
Ngiyathanda ukudla njama ngenga.
Yes. Dum dum dum. Good story. We'll leave it there for now. Cool. Next time.
Thank you, Zafan.
Okay, bye-bye. Salani kahle. Zaman